Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're having a great day, and today I'll be on Futwiz for a pack opening because the Serie A team season and Liga 1 team season is finally out, which everyone's been waiting for, I think, because it's like one of the best ones with some players that are worth loads and insane. For example, Ibra and... Oh, we get a purple card when I'm talking. Yes. Yeah, so let's get straight into the packs. If you want to check out some of my friends, I'll leave a link in the description. Shadow Skills and Italiangamerhd. Great channels, great people. Give them a sub, give them a like, that'd be awesome, guys. Also, give me a sub and a like. Because we seem to get loads of like 25, 26 views on my videos, but no one's subscribing. I've got 4 subscribers. But if you just give me that 2 or 3 more subscribers to get it to 8, that'd be absolutely insane, guys. Yeah, we're just gonna carry on. Let's go. Here we're gonna get the first pack. Come on, guys. Who are we gonna get? Who are we gonna get, guys? Come on, come on. Oh, we get Ibrahimovic, a normal one. Yeah, that's pretty sick. This video is not gonna be that long. It should be about 3 minutes long. It won't be that long, because for reasons. I've also got a sister that does YouTube as well, so if you go check her out, I'll leave a link in the description to prodigy. Amazing YouTuber. She got 398, almost to 400. So if you just get to 400, that'd be sick, guys. Let's carry on opening the packs. See if we can get ourselves a blue card. Or we get Iniesta and full Marshall. We'll be doing different games as well, guys. Oh, we get purple card Pantilimon. That is sick, guys. And as I've said again, I do have a sister that does YouTube, so go check her out. I'll leave a link in the description. She's a sick YouTuber. She got some great videos. I've already said this, but all in from Terry. Just to remind you guys again. He's almost on 400, I think. I'm not sure if I'm right or not. But let's just see if we can get our subscribers up. Also get mine up as well. Real life football videos should be coming in about a week or 2. And also I'll be doing Minecraft Mondays, which I'll be doing Minecraft on a Monday. Different series. Each series will be about 10 to 15 minutes long. I'll be starting like a Minecraft world from scratch. I'll be doing Forza Fridays and FIFA Fridays, which is like I will create a new account and I will start Forza again. Yeah, and then like each week should be doing like either FIFA or Forza. It's completely up. Oh, we've man matched Tevez. Completely up to you. I think I should do Forza this week. Give a like if you think I should do FIFA this week. Comment FIFA. That'd be great, guys. I'm gonna open 4 more packs and I'm going to end it there. It's going to be our first pack of 4. Also, guys, I'll be doing like different tours of like games I have that are worth showing, like Minecraft. I do have a pretty sick world in that. I'll be doing like a tour of cars on my Forza on my real account. Yeah. So that's pretty sick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh, I've got Marco Royce in that pack. We get 2 more, guys. To get 2 more packs in, and I'm going to end it there. Not been the best of pack openings, but there'll be more to come. I will do another one tomorrow or the next day on Friday. Should be doing one, but that's that's 4 or 3 Fridays, isn't it? We'll get Suarez. That's pretty sick. Okay. Oh, come on, guys. Last 2 packs. Just gonna skip that one and just get into the 2 packs straight away. Come on, who's going to get in our first of the 2? Gertz. Well, I'm going to open a couple more, guys. What we'll be doing is like different news of the week, because currently like the transfer window is going absolutely mental. So like, we'll be doing like a little news transfer of the week kind of thing, like different rumours that are going around for people. Yeah. We'll be doing that. We're going into our last pack of the pack opening, guys. See what we're going to get. Cole, Kiesling in for Marshall, and Hernandez. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a bit of a, it's not a change, but for the new team season. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Remember, I will leave the link in the description for my sister, Star Prodigy, Shadow Skills, and Italian Gamer. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. And peace out.